Standard 9 History, Lesson number 4 Economic Development. Now, in this lesson, we are going to discuss about 5-year plans, their success and failures, nationalization of banks, 20-point program, mill workers' strike, and the new economic policy of 1991. Before discussing these points, we are also going to discuss about economy. Let us see what is mixed economy. Now, after independence, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, adopted the policy of mixed economy. Mixed economy means the economy where public, private, and joint sectors exist. Now let us see, in some of the countries, there is a capitalist economy. For example, United States of America, where privatization of industries is on a larger scale. You can find maximum private industries in the capitalist countries like United States of America and many other. On the contrary, the countries those have followed socialism, you can find socialist economy. Now, in a socialist or communist country, you can find maximum industries and natural resources belonging to the government. Okay, but Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru neither followed capitalist economy nor socialist economy. He decided to follow mixed economy. And what does it mean? Let us see. In a mixed economy, you can find public sector like a socialist economy. You can find a private sector also like a capitalist economy, as well as you can find joint sector, that is the mixture of public sector and private sector. Now let us see what is public sector. The industries in a public sector belong to the government. Okay, they are administered and run by the government. In India, production of defense equipments and ammunition, even it is done by the only by the government companies. No private company is allowed to produce any weapons or ammunition. Okay, so here we are following socialist economy. Okay, now private sector. The industries in this sector are owned by private industrialists. Of course, the government supervises and controls them too. For example, consumer goods. Now, some of the companies, they are owned. Some of the companies in India are owned by private owners. For example, Reliance. Doesn't matter, they have been supervised and controlled by the government, but they are private companies or they are private industries. Okay, and they come in private sector, the way capitalist economy functions or works. And let us see what is joint sector. In a joint sector, there are the companies, those are owned by government also, as well as by the private industrialists also. Means in this sector, both the government and the private companies have the authority to function or to possess the companies or industries. Okay, means in a joint sector you can find government companies also as well as private companies also. Okay, thank you very much.